Instant Edges is a patent-pending product intended for people who suffer from hair loss throughout the edges of their hair. This all-inclusive product comes ready to wear without the application of glue or tape. Instant Edges' lightweight, breathable design can be worn without damaging the hair you already have and without causing additional hair loss. Instant Edges will be sold as a two-piece set, a left side and a right side, in the following colors: jet black, natural black, dark brown, medium brown, honey blonde, and burgundy. Instant Edges inventor Stephanie Lanier created Instant Edges to address a personal need. The existing products on the market did not provide the natural look she desired for versatile styles without causing additional damage to the hairline. While developing this product, Stephanie realized the magnitude of need from women of all shades and hair textures. Instant Edges was created to empower individuals by boosting daily confidence and freedom of individual style with an easy application. To apply Instant Edges, simply wet the product and apply to the desired area. Next, style the edge pattern as you wish and brush the hair to blend in with your natural hair. Finally, a blow dryer can be used to set in the final look. By supporting this Kickstarter, you are aiding in the development of a mass production process for Instant Edges to bring it to market. Contributors will be the first to experience Instant Edges. We're looking forward to boosting daily confidence.